the shiny things. Christmas is the best. I wonder what's in this box. Today is Christmas. I have to look handsome. Get up, Dad. The sun's almost at your butt. Let's go out.
A walk in the city, son. All right, remember the rules, Pip. Only what's on the list.
But Dad, look, the deluxe salmon treats. Dad, buy this. Look, potato chips.
Lovely cuts today. Wait a minute. Hey, has anyone seen my son?
Woohoo! This is amazing! More cereal, quick! We got it! Oh no!
No. He's bought the whole supermarket home.
Look at all the lights, Dad! And the tapioca is so chewy!
It is nice, isn't it? Just try not to choke on the pearls.
Look at the camera, Dad. Smile. Okay, ready? Cheese!
Yes, very festive.
Dad, let me help Grandma. Don't worry, Grandma. We're almost there. Just a little further.
You are such a good boy. Thank you, dear. Thank you, my good kitten.
Now for Dad's Master Chef moment. Oh my goodness. Is this a home or a pigsty?
It ran into the hole. I'll set a trap. The trap is set. All according to plan.
All right, son. Observe the better trap. This beauty not only catches the mouse, it cleans the floor, too. Ouch, ouch, ouch! Ouch! My hand!
Dad, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen.
It's all right, son. Just try to be more careful next time.
It has to be perfect. Something shiny. Yes, this is the one. Oh, yes. Father will love this one.
It hurts so much. Can't do anything.
Dad, this is for you.
It's beautiful, son.
I'm mashing them real good.
All right there, Chief. Maybe slow down just a bit before.
Oh, whoops. Wow, Dad, this is amazing.
I'm glad you like it, son.
Merry Christmas!
Having you here is the greatest gift.
I think so too, Dad.
You won't believe the price on the sunflower seeds today. Absolutely criminal, I tell ya.
Look at all the snacks! I want this one and this one! Look, Dad! I'm flying!
Whoa! Careful there, son!
Snack avalanche! We hit the jackpot!
Well, someone's ready for the weekend!
Did they clear out the whole snack aisle?
Don't drop the fish crackers, son. I am too tired to clean this up.
Look at all the snacks, Dad.
This is the best day ever.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
Ready for my close-up. Looking cute.
Oh, finally. Thank goodness.
Poor lady. Someone should help her.
Well done, son. You make me proud.
Easy now. We're almost across. Such a kind boy you are. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, little one. It truly is the most wonderful time of the year.
Look, Dad. I helped the squirrel untangle the lights. And then I chased a sparkly thing all the way down to the bakery.
Finally home.
Look at the lights. Can I play with the shine ball, Dad?
Just try not to break it this time, all right?
For 5 minutes and the living room becomes a snack-strewn battlefield. Clean this up now!
Another day of cleaning, la-da-da, making everything spotless and tidy.
Easy now. We don't want any accidents.
halls with bores of holly. Fa la la la, la 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 la.
High-pitched, soft-spoken.
Oh, my aching paw. And look at this mess. Just once, I'd like a quiet day.
I'm sorry I made a mess, Papa. Please don't be mad. I brought you snacks.
Look at that. Puts the whole world in perspective, doesn't it?
My little boy. You did this for me. It's wonderful, buddy. Thank you.
I'm mashing them super fast, Dad. We need lots of fluff.
Whoa, slow down there, Turbo. We might need a bigger kitchen if you keep that up.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, boy.